Okay, Kyler's gonna shoot. Let's watch him shoot and score. Okay. Sorry. You're watching it on the other side, not in. Look at that girl. And I'm going to Facebook this too. Poor kid. I love kids. They do the darndest things. All right, Kyler's up next. Let's check this out. I can't get a good view of him here. All right, buddy.